Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Life. Guys, today in this video we'll make this model by using CATIA software. So you can see this is the model that we are going to make in your screen. Let's select here YZ plane and click on the sketch. Take here line. I'll start it from here. Go like this. Go like this. Come like this. Just connect to this. Now I have just drawn the basic shape. Now I'll be giving the dimension here. You can see here the overall dimensions and height, everything I'll be giving one by one. So you can see here, this is your constant tool. I'll just double click on the constant tool for multiple use. So this first I'll be giving this dimensions, which is having the radius 20. So give the value here radius 20. So I'll be giving here, this is also radius, this is radius 16. This height is 40. You can see here from here to here, this dimension is 64. Give the value here 64. Select this line and click on this, give the relation here horizontal. Go with this, okay. Then double click on the dimensions. Here we'll be giving the dimension from here to this center 16. This dimension is 16. And you can see here I'll be just giving horizontal dimensions. We didn't give it, so just click on this. So from this center to this center dimension, right click and click on the horizontal. Give the dimension from here to here 44. So I'll be just doing one thing here. I will give one more dimension. This is also 16. Give the dimension, this is also 16. Now you can see here your sketch is getting almost ready, but I will do here one more thing. We will add this circle also. So click on this circle and click on this circle. For the both circle we will be giving the dimension also. So for this circle we are having the diameter 16. This circle the diameter is 25. So give here 25. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So I'll just exit from the sketcher and I'll go for pad. Click on the pad. Here I'll be choosing here mirror extend and I'll extrude it up to, you can see here the dimensions they have given here 80. So I'll be giving the value here 40. Just go with the OK. We will go for fillet and give the fillet. So we have here fillet tools. Click on the fillet tools and I'll be choosing here edge fillet. Click on this edge. Select this edge and give the fillet radius 16. Now you can see here your model is quite like this. Even you can give the fillet on other side. Click the model and give the fillet. Click on the fillet. So go with the edge fillet. Click on this corner edge and give the value here. This fillet is having different value, which is 5 mm, and select this edge. Now we will be choosing the top face and we will be going for the sketch. Now we will make two circles. So click on the circle tool. Just I'll draw one circle here and one more here. And for both the circle I'll be giving the dimensions. You can see. Okay, I'll draw two more circles. I'll make one more circle and here also I'll make one more circle. Now I'll go for constant. Give the dimension for each and every circle. So for this 8 mm radius and 8 mm diameter. So for inside circle having 8 mm diameter. So give there 8, enter. Here we need to give here 16. Let's give there 16. Here also we will be doing the same thing. Here we will be giving for 16, enter. And for the inner one we will be giving 8. Now we will be giving the position of the circle. You can see for both the circle from center to this point, horizontal distance is 24. So give that 24 and here you can give the vertical distance from here to this edge. Right click, click on the vertical, which is 16. Instead of doing like this, we can go for the mirror also actually. It's not necessary to make both the sides. So do one thing, after making fully defined, you can just delete this two I'll go for the half portion. So here you can see I'll draw a line from here. So start it from here somewhere and just extend it up to like this is enough. Now I will draw one more line from this point and which is like this. Now we will go for this fillet and we'll trim this part. You can see I'll just trim this part. You can see you have here trim command. I'll choose here quick trim. Trim this part and click on the fillet. So give the dimensions. I'll be giving the dimension here. I'll be going for the fillet. Choose corner. Click on this and choose this and this arc. Click on it and give the radius here. What is the radius for the fillet? Radius is 3. I'll be giving here radius is 3 mm. In the same way you can give the fillet by choosing corner, this and this. Give there 3. Now you can see the reason it's not getting fully defined because I have to give one dimensions which is from this edge to this edge is right click parallel. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. In the same way you have to give here also. Just click on this dimension from here to this, right click, give the relation parallel. Now you can see here the half portion is almost over and I'll just select this. So click on this, I'll select this and then you can click on the mirror tools and click on this mirror above. Now just go with this. Okay, now select the line and you can close it, or else you can use the sellotage edge features. Come out from there and click on this. I'll pocket it. Here I'll click on the pocket features and you have to go for the pocket features with up to 32 mm. So give there here 32. You don't need to go for the mirror extend, just go with this. Okay, now you can see your model is quite like this. Now select this face and click on the sketch. Now just I will do one thing. Already I have taken here. I'll use the project tools and I'll project this surface here. So to have this edge, I will project this edge. Click on this and click on this edge. Now just normal to this. In the same way, just draw one line from here to here. Now you can see I'll just give the dimension from here to here. Right click and give the coincident. In the same way you can see this can move, but I will do it like this. Click on this and give the dimension from here to this. Right click, give the direction coincident, just extend this. Now you can go for quick trim and trim this part and this part. You can do one thing here. You can give here relation also. Click on the dimensions, this and this. Right click, go for coincident. You can pocket it. In the pocket we will reverse the directions. Here you have the option reverse the directions. Here you can go up to next, just go with this. Okay, now you can see your model is quite like this. Now what you need to do, you need to select this face and click on the sketch. We'll use the project tool over here. So you have here project tools. Click on this, click on this, click on this and click on this circle. Tilt it and we'll project this edge also. We have the options here, this vertical edge. Click on the project. Now do one thing, make it normal to the sketch. So you can see here they have given the dimension from this edge to this line is 12 mm. So take a line from here and just make it like this. Give the relation this and this line. Click on it. Click on the dimension. Right click. Give the relation tangency. Now you have to give one more dimension from this point. This lines. Give the dimension 12 mm. So give here 12. Now you extend it. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined, so exit from the sketcher and you have to go for this pad and pad it up to the reverse directions So I'll be giving the pad thickness which is 4 mm. So give here 8 mm. You can see here 8 mm. Just go with this. OK. So select the features and click on this mirror tools and click on this pen and go with this. OK. Now you can see here your model is this part got here. You can see this part got mirror. Right now I will do one thing. I'll just select this face. So click over here and click on the sketch. Just select a circle, click on this and just take a lines and draw half of that. Start from that point, come like this and click on this. Just little zoom in. Okay, so click on this line, make it horizontal. Just go with this. Okay. Next, do one thing. Click on this line, convert it into vertical. So click on this. This line has to be vertical. This is 16, and here this is 32. Click on this. This is 32. Click on this and give there 32. Now I will trim this part and I will close it and I will trim this. What I need to do? Click on the trim tool. Trim this part and just draw one more line. I'll delete one dimension here and you can see I will just take a lines. Instead of taking the line, we can do the mirror also. Just select this up to here, click on the mirror tool and mirror about this, then go with this trim command. Click on this quick trim, click on it. Now we need to give that 16 dimension. Click on this and give this 16 dimension. So I'll be giving this dimension 16. Now you can see your sketch is getting almost ready. Right now I will make one more circle here. This circle is having the diameter 10. So click on this, give the value 10. Just come out from this and extrude this up to 8 mm. So go with this pad and click on the OK. Click on the isometric and I'll just hide the plane. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on CAD software. Have a nice day and happy learning.